Hey everyone, welcome to my new video. If you're looking to boost your business online, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into Facebook ads for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to create your first successful Facebook ad campaign. Let's get started. So, what exactly are Facebook ads? In a nutshell, Facebook ads are paid messages that businesses can display to their target audience on Facebook. With over 2.8 billion monthly active users, Facebook offers an incredible opportunity to reach a massive and highly targeted audience. First things first, you'll need to set up your Facebook ad account. If you haven't already, go to Facebook Business Manager and create an account. Once you're in, navigate to the Ads Manager. This is your hub for creating, managing, and analyzing your ads. Let's create your first ad. Click on the Create button in Ads Manager and select your campaign objective. For beginners, I recommend starting with traffic or engagement. This will help you drive people to your website or get them to interact with your content.